this nice shit. I meddling murderers, temptation, roll up the windows and push down the pest.
Back. Alright, today we are probably going to go do some work on my car. Probably going to do an exhaust manifold gasket and probably some fender pulling. Yeah, let's go. Nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna head up to Angus's, but first, food. Yeah. Yo, what's up? It's another video, Reckless Weekly. Today, if I can get the hood open, we are gonna do exhaust manifold gasket. So
exhaust manifold delete.
That nasty thing in there. Oh yeah, dude, you got something to hold my hood up?
Oh yeah, true.
Oh, baseball bat's on the passenger seat, dude. Grab it.
Sick. Carry it around for like when someone really pisses you off as well.
Yeah,
holding the hood open.
That's the main reason, but also to hold the hood up. It kind of like doubles as a
someone sees you doing a wee street skid, and they threaten to call the cops. You just go no, and you pull the bat out. All right, so we might need some tools.
Oh, I got the bag there.
We got the tools.
All right, so this is the new manifold gasket, nice and shiny.
Wonder what way it goes.
Yeah, I was about to say I have no idea what way it goes. It's kind of like
I think it's like symmetrical.
Nah, it's like flat on one side and like slightly rounded on the other.
All right.
I'm gonna guess the flat side goes against the block.
Are they 12s?
I'm just gonna guess.
Oh, I think they might be 14s. When I gonna take it?
Alright, if we can find the right...
14.
Hey, I'm also holding a 14. Wait, no, jokes. This is some metric bullshit.
14's like usually quite big.
Oh, we may need the breaker bar.
We may need this to cool down as well.
Yeah, I shouldn't have gone for that little drive.
Yeah, should we pull some...
Oh,
no, if we pour water on it, it might crack it.
Having to replace the manifold as well. I don't think it's too bad.
It's bad. Yeah, it's like... It burned me a little. Alright, so I'll find the breaker bar.
No, that's the torque wrench.
That's the breaker bar. Same thing. You can use
Alright, pass me that extension.
I use my torque wrench as the breaker bar to undo things all the
Yeah,
time.
probably is a good idea.
Nah, it's not. I mean, it would work as a mean breaker bar because of how long my fucking torque wrench is, but... Alright.
Alright, wait, so we're going...
Down, lefty-loosey.
Down, yeah.
Careful not to strip because it's... Oh wait, it's a 12 point. I'll find you the good 14.
Nah, I'm about to crack. Yeah. Yo, it wasn't even tight.
Really?
Dude, check this out.
What if it just... what if it just needs a tighten?
No, we're doing the gasket, dude.
We're doing the gasket?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
just try to like crack them all. Oh,
Yeah.
Come on.
Switch to this 14, it's a good one.
Like it was tight, but like not super tight.
Because when you use a 12 point with like high forces, like that, you can strip bolts real easy. Because look at the difference.
What is the point of a 12 point so it can go on?
There's
easy?
12 point bolts. Like
Oh, really?
a lot of cylinder heads are held on by a 12 point bolt.
That's stupid.
I mean, they've
Man, this garage is like only just tall enough for us.
my hat hits on it.
Are you seeing that? Alright.
So if you hear that scraping.
Let's just like crack these bolts.
Wait.
It's not too bad.
I'm gonna guess that the gasket's fine and someone just didn't tighten the manifold properly.
Nah, but it's gotten heaps worse recently.
Yeah, true. That probably caused the gasket to fail.
I think it just needs to be done. Ugh, Jesus. Stupid earbox in the way. We're gonna get rid of that and replace it with an AliExpress pod air filter.
Not gonna go with the K&N from Super Cheap.
Nah, dude, I'm saving like 60 bucks. I'm living on that cheap.
An AliExpress pod filter.
I need to get rid of the extension.
Real? Oh,
I
yeah.
got a 2-inch extension.
2-inch.
Yeah? 2-inch extension.
What one?
That.
That one?
Yeah.
Like that? I guess you gotta wait for it to cool down.
Like. Maybe like under there. I'm thinking we might have to take the airbox out.
Maybe. Might need a ratchet for that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that hood's gonna fall on my head.
Ratchet for that one. Oh shit, didn't think of that.
There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Alright, even this is warm now because it's been against the hot exhaust.
Give this a feel.
Alright,
That's
where's
nice.
a good ratchet?
I don't know, where is a good ratchet?
At the parts store, not here.
Nah, that ratchet is a good ratchet.
Yeah, I'm just talking shit.
It is a good ratchet. This one, however, this one is a pile of shit. So like, look, the difference. One that has this like twisty turny thing, junk. One that has a little lever switch, good. If you're buying tools, you never get the cheap shit.
An extender.
Oh yeah, an extension.
An extender. It's called an extender.
Oh yeah. But
Yeah, you see people always like hiding their number plates and like when they're trying to sell their cars.
it's like, yeah.
I don't know what's up with that.
So you can't search it up on CarJam and find out all the fuck shit with it.
Yeah, knock on my gauge. Go back to school, mate.
Oh.
People will be like, why do you spend all this time and money working on your car? Just pay someone else to do it, man.
So, do you want to pay someone $70 an hour?
Yeah, I know. Oh, you're joking. We need a 2-inch extension. It's like too short for a no extension.
But too long.
Too long for a long boy. Alright, so we were thinking we were gonna have to take the whole exhaust manifold off by undoing that flange, which was really hard. Like the bolts were really tight. We don't have any WD-40 or anything, and they're in like a really hard to wrench place. So we Angus thought to undo this like clamp.
It like
bolt.
it's like an exhaust hanger that holds it to the gearbox.
Yeah, and
So I undone that, and then
now it moves. It moves just enough.
Just look at this old gasket.
And this is the old gasket I've just pulled off.
It's like a layered metal.
Yeah, there's like 2 layers.
3.
3 pieces
think-
of thin metal.
Look, you can see where it was leaking
Yeah,
because it's like got that. Black on
it's definitely.
it. I mean, I think.
it's definitely very worn.
Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking it's like been too. What's the word? Too loose. Like, you know how easy this.
Yeah,
I guess someone just didn't torque it down properly.
yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna pop this new one on,
And then.
and it should be good to go. Really, is that the right side, dude?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. Yeah, they go on the bolts, and yeah, that could have been, if we hadn't seen that clamp thing, this would have been a lot harder job. We were thinking we had to get up on a hoist or something, because it was just going to be so difficult. But found a way around it, and
Let's get these studs back in.
we're gonna put the bolts back on. All right.
Let's try to get these like. Cracked out.
Obviously, we need to do engine mounts. Oh shit! What's that?
Shut it off. Smoke.
Not so good.
Might be the gasket like setting in.
Was there something we had to like peel off it? Surely not.
There's like a plastic sticker on it or something. Okay, it's still kind of.
Yeah, it doesn't sound good, does it?
Yeah, let's see if we can. What were they, 14s?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I'll see if just tightening it a bit more.
To a higher torque spec.
I'll just like do it by hand. See if I can just like kind of make the bolts a little bit tighter.
Yeah.
See if that does it.
So yeah, basically started up and it's still like
Kind of sounds
got
like
that leaky sound. Like sounds like shit.